Did you know that you can keep cake toppers for a long time, even for years, if they're stored in the right way? And you want to keep them in the right way, not only when you finish them, but also while you're making them. Because often really it takes more than one day to make them, all right? So just keep them in the right way when you finish them and when you work every time at the end of the day. So let's have a look. First of all, you need to keep away cake toppers and even fondant away from direct sunlight, fridge, freezer, damp, and humidity. These are the enemy of fondant. But if your house is too humid, like mine is, I live by the seaside, and here, especially in winter, it's really humid. What I do is I put the cake toppers in a display cabinet, and at the back where no one can see them, I put some desiccant silica gel. And what it does is that it catches all the humidity, and the cake toppers stay much better and dry, and as I said, they last me years. I know that some people who use hair lacquer sprays or acrylic paints or clear glaze as well, so that the cake toppers could last longer, but honestly I never tried as what I've been doing. It is fine for me, and really I don't have to worry about it too much. But you need to test it, and you need to find what it is best for you, really. All right.